Pinoy wins.
Simar, what can you say about the fight? Beating Hatton.
Take a drink first.
Mr. White Guy.
I think the fight is boring.
But it's great.
But it's great, Camo. It's great.
It's grip and
Look at the camera.
And Hatton should go back to England, never come back to the United States.
What about
Okay.
Pacquiao? What about Pacquiao?
Pacquiao, you're the best. I love you.
Ang Tagalog naman dyan. Tagalog.
Ay, syempre magtatagalog talaga ako.
Sige,
Nagdudugo na nga ako ilang
ano
po.
yung papagawa mo?
3-star in a stand.
Pilipino ka ba?
Oh, half.
Half. Kay Hatton ka, di ba? Ay, kay Pacquiao ka, di ba?
Yeah. Saan pa?
Pakita mo kasi ano mo para...
Ayan o, tinalo si Dila La Hoya.
Dila La Hoya?
Saka ulit kakain din ulit si Pacquiao.
Gusto niya pupunta sa
Yun na.
Jubilee eh.
Okay, punta naman tayo dito. Kay another white guy.
Bibili daw siya ng
What can you
Jubilee
say
eh.
about the fight? Mr. Reno?
Namumulang puta na.
You got raped, dude.
Anong got raped?
You suck.
Anong rape? Na-rape siya?
Namudi-rape?
Bakla pala si Pacquiao.
There's nothing I can say no more. Dude.
What else? What else?
You got abused.
What about Pacquiao?
Proud to be
Tagalog.
Pinoy, right?
Pacquiao, you're the best, dude. Peace.
Mr. Jonathan, English. Come on. Wow, hold on. Okay.
Stockman the third.
What can you say, Meg,
Wag
about
muna,
the fight?
auto muna.
Dali na.
Sila muna.
What can you say about the fight?
I think Pacquiao is the beast.
You look like you, the beast.
Gago, mas gwapo naman ako sa kanya. yung palmas niya mukhang bulbul, men.
Mag-ingat sa baboy.
The beast.
Ano masasabi mo sa laban?
Si Hatton, may swine flu. May swine flu pala.
Ano masasabi mo sa laban?
Puta na
Sa
init.
pagkapanalo ni Mr. Manny Pacquiao.
I think he's great, man. He's the best.
Proud to be Filipino, no?
Hell yeah!
What about you, LA? What can you say about the fight?
I'm shy.
You're shy?
Nahiya tuloy.
Say something.
Elaine ang pangalan mo, hindi shy.
Dali, say something. Just say hi to Pacquiao.
Hi! The best.
The best. Ayun.
Diba?
What about you, Kuya Ras?
mo, man.
The best?
The best.
What about you, Jake Cuenca?
Wait lang.
Again,
Oh.
Pakita mo yung t-shirt mo. Pakita mo kung ano nangyari kay Hatton. Eh, si Hatton, man.
What can you say about the fight?
Isa lang masasabi ko sa kanya. He's the best.
It's the best.
Shot lang dyan.
What about you, Mami? What about you?
I wasn't here.
No comment.
I
So,
just got here.
So just say something about Manny Pacquiao winning the
It's
fight.
for you. It's for you.
Oh, so this is the after party, huh?
Yeah, this
Wait na.
Hold on, it's Pacquiao here. Hold on. Wait, there you go. There's Pacquiao. Let's go here now.
Tangin na talaga to. Ako pa binanata, no?
So what can you say, Mr. Manny Pacquiao, about the fight with
Sabi nga nila, it's the beast. It's
about the
beast.
fight and with you and
London Bridge is falling
Mr.
down, you know?
Ricky Hatton?
Balik ka na sa London, man.
And did you enjoy the fight?
Hell yeah, man. Ano pa?
I don't know.
Ayoko na.
Let me see your shirt. Come here.
Split mo, man.
Pakita mo yung t-shirt mo. Dito ka.
Ito.
Hindi ko makita dito eh. Madilim.
Alisin mo yung t-shirt mo. Basura.
Proud to be Pinoy.
Yeah, that's
Pacquiao,
Manny
yeah.
Pacquiao right there.
Kiss my ass. Ayaw mababay.
Parang isik kay Kobe.
Say bye!
Bye!